everyone, it's Linda, your Norwex consultant, and I'm here today to talk about the nasty toilet. We don't like cleaning the bathroom, we hate cleaning the toilets, but with Norwex, you know, it's quick, easy, and green. Not green like gross, but green, clean, not the toxic chemicals. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your toilet. So I'm using Glow Germ, which hospitals use to show people how to clean properly. It's going to simulate germs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit here on the toilet seat. I'm going to turn the light off, and I'm going to use my black light to show. See how it's, let's see how it, there you go. You can see that right here is where I sprayed it. Okay, so let's turn this on. I've got my wet EnviroCloth, so I'm going to wipe that off. It's going to show that it will be nice and clean now. So let's turn the light back off. No more. See how it's not shining up anymore. It's nice and clean. You can see it here on the cloth. So the cloth picked up 99, as it does, picks up 99% of your germs off your surfaces. So that's how you can easily clean your toilet. Now, I don't get in there and clean the actual bowl where the poop goes. No, I use the brush for that. But one of the great things Norwex has is bathroom cleaner, highly concentrated. I put a couple squirts of this in the toilet, and got my ergonomic toilet brush here. Swish that around. And away it goes. So that's how I clean my toilets. Quick and easy, and it's green. Have a great day.